Well, hello! Welcome to or back to my channel. If you've never seen me before, my name's Hannah. I go by Hlander. Call me what you want, but don't call me ugly. Just, yeah, whatever. Today is a very special, important video. That time of year is coming back around where your girl needs to find a formal dress. Last year, I did a video of a Windsor haul where I was searching for a spring formal dress. I ended up going with none of those dresses that I got from Windsor and one that I found on a whim from Macy's instead. While the dresses from Windsor were also amazing and stunning, none of them were quite right for the event that I was going to. What's the event in question? Well, my boyfriend is in dental school, so I'm getting ready to go to yet another dental prom, I guess you could call it. It was fun last year. Last year I didn't really know anyone going. I didn't know the vibe. This year I have more of a grasp about what I'm walking into. I started my hunt for a formal dress this year and found myself quite exhausted by all of the options out there. They were all too expensive and I just didn't want to spend $100 on a dress that I'm gonna wear once and never again. I started looking into the rental companies. You've probably heard of Rent the Runway, but have you ever heard of, I guess it doesn't say it on here. It's Nuuly. After looking at Nuuly and Rent the Runway, I also looked at, I think, Fashion Pass. I decided to go with Nuuly just because what they had in stock and ready to ship was just kind of more of what I was looking for and more of my style, I guess you could say. So I've got my 6 items. It's a subscription that you pay for monthly. I think it was $88. Like, you can keep the items that you have through those months. You'll still be billed the same, or you can send it back once a month. I'm really excited. This is like a new kind of territory that I've never delved into, but I've always been curious of. Do we just hop right into it? I'm really excited to try these on. I haven't tried them on yet. Just to preface this event, there is a theme, but you don't have to dress the theme. It's 70s disco, I believe, so some of these were kind of inspired by that. I don't know. This is what I got in the mail from Nuuly. It's really cool because they try to be as sustainable as possible. So they send in this, like, I don't know, material bag, and you unzip it. Here's where the shipping label usually goes. You unzip it, and your items are all folded in there. It's kind of like Christmas. Like I said, I've got 6 items. I decided to go with all dresses because I have no clue what I want to wear. I could have like got some other stuff to wear this month, but I went with all 6 dresses. I'm crazy. So some of these are 4s, some of these are 6s, some of these are smalls, depending on the sizing of the companies. I do want them to be more fitted. I'm gonna hang them all up and then we can get to try it on. How's that sound? How's that sound? All right, see you in a second. Dress number 1. This is a Free People dress. It's size 6. I really like the way strings in the back that make it to where top can fit you tighter, but if you needed it to give out a little bit, it could. I love the slit in it, but it does go up to like right about my crotch area, so it could be a little bit dangerous. You can kind of brush it over to one side or the other. I kind of like that, you know, depending on how you're posing for a picture, you could move it over. I don't love that it's navy. I kind of wish that it was like a brighter, springier color. However, I, as you may know, do not have the biggest boobs. This goes down quite a bit. I would say to my sternum, like where you kind of feel that notch in your sternum. I just don't know how I feel about it. I also don't have any sticky boobs on, so like, I don't hate it. It's not a bad option. The length is great on me. I like the material. It's comfy. It just kind of depends how I'm feeling about all the other dresses. It's not a bad option. Dress number 1, what do we think? Navy baby, yes or no? Let me know. Dress number 2. And first impressions are, I hate it. It's awful. I like the idea of this dress, but this was what I was kind of afraid of with this rental service. You can't really try things on before you rent them. This is a size 4 from Free People, but it also has the brand tag Alina Lou. Size 4, the fitting is just really weird. I don't know if I just don't have it like quite tight enough. My hips may just be too big for this. Maybe a size 6 would fit it better. Okay, we're gonna call this the Honeybee Special. It does have bees on it. I will say it feels more like a wedding guest dress rather than a formal formal event dress because it is kind of just a slip dress. I'm only going to show you this for like 2 seconds because I look so awful. First off, I'm nipping, and second off, it's too tight. I can't even wear underwear. It's just really weird. And the back is even weirder. Start up top. I like the idea of it. I really do. You can kind of see the little bees on it. Very luxurious, but hips, literally too tight. The length, weird. The back, even weirder. The back has this weird open back thing. I just don't quite understand how it's supposed to fit. The top is weird. Overall, everything is just a little too weird. I will not be wearing this one at all. Sorry. On to the next. Dress number 3. Things are looking up. After the last dress, I was getting really discouraged. I was like, oh no, none of these are gonna fit me. They all suck. None of them are right for this. But this one might be the safe bet. And we're gonna call this the little black dress. I love a black dress. I think they're classic. I think they're sexy. I think you can't go wrong with a black dress, especially for a formal event or like semi-formal event. And this one is amazing. To me, it's honestly a really good option for a wedding guest dress as well as a formal event. It's not floor length. It does kind of hit right above the ankle. I think this might be a winner, honestly. I don't want to speak too soon, but it might be a winner. It fits my waist nearly perfectly, but I love just how simple yet beautiful it is. It's 3 little cute buttons. I honestly love it. Now for the back. Do you want to see the back? This is the back. It's beautiful, not too simple. This is a great dress. I honestly might see how much it costs. I might buy it. That's another option with Nuuly, which is amazing. The brand is Lioness, and it is a size small. I like that it's not too fitted because like I feel quite bloated right now, and after a few drinks I'm gonna be quite bloated, so she's gorgeous. On to dress number 4. Whew, I took a little break. I'm back with dress number 4. This is Free People, size small, I believe. We've got my helper. Hi, Walter. I was initially attracted to this dress because of the like kind of patchworky feel to it. I love the color. Thought it was just like a really pretty solid dress in general. It is pretty simple and plain, but like I said, it has that interesting patchwork detail that I thought brought a little bit of complexity, a little bit of a touch of a 70s aesthetic, kind of quilted look, but I think it gives the dress a nice touch. Like something unique about it for just being one color. It does have a typical scoop neck, which makes it a little bit more casual, I'd say. But I like the pink color. I think it's bright. I think it's gorgeous. And I think it's a lot of fun. I do love a good pink dress, so I can't complain really. The length on it is honestly spectacular. Like it drags the floor. I'm 5'10", 5'11", and this never happens. Like it never works out for me this well. It honestly is perfect the way that it shows my feet, but also drags behind it. I could see myself really dancing in this dress. I think it would be really comfortable to wear. Really is pretty, not see-through at all. Has a slip underneath it. I think I could honestly wear like a normal bra with this, which is not normal at all. This would also be a good dress to wear a really pretty necklace with. Probably dress it up with some jewelry. It kind of gives me princess vibes for some reason. This dress honestly gets like a 8 out of 10. It's a really good solid dress and it's really pretty. Not a bad option. On to the 5th dress. I absolutely love it. It's a showstopper, okay? I'll put it on. I now have on dress number 5. When I tell you I feel actual heartache from this dress, I mean it, because this dress is perfect, stunning, amazing, gorgeous, comfortable, dazzling, you might even say, but it doesn't fit. This is a size 4. I'll put a picture up of it, but it is the most beautiful dress that I could have possibly got. Not only is it like on theme, that like 70s disco theme, I just look like a freaking disco ball in it. The problem with it is, I don't know if it's the heaviness of the skirt because of all the sequins or what, it drags everything down, and the straps on it are not adjustable. And the back like bra part of it is loose in itself. So if there was some way that I get it tightened, tailored, I would. I just don't think I have time for that or will. It is rented, so it's not like I can get it actually tailored. There's also always the option of safety pins, but like, I don't know. I just love it though. It's so cute. I literally sparkle. It kills me. It doesn't look bad, but you can tell that it's a little bit too big. And like my nipple could slip out at any second. Like it's just gaping in the back. It's just really, I need it to like sit right here and be tighter. See, this could like gather, maybe safety pin that. I really hate to send it back. It's so cute. So on to the next dress, the final dress, and you can take a vote on which one I should wear. Sixth and final dress. I love this dress. I probably would give it a 7 out of 10 just because I don't like love the material or the color of it. I also picked this dress because I felt like it was on theme with the 70s kind of disco-y vibe. It is very much giving Daisy Jones and the Six to me now that I'm wearing it and that I just watched that show. This may be like my most modest dress. Wait, it's super comfortable. It is gorgeous. I don't hate it at all. It's very flattering. This is a dress by the brand GPD. This is her. It's like a gold silver kind of number. It's very flowy. I don't know, I kind of feel like a 70s queen in it. It's nothing like spectacular. I do love the tiered skirt. It's really fun, got lots of movement in it. High back. I really like it. It's really comfortable. I just don't know if it's my favorite of the three. It is really pretty. I'm not rolling this one out completely. It's kind of giving grandma, so I don't think I look like the sexiest in this dress, which, you know, I want to look good, but I don't want to look crazy. What do we think? Let me know. I also feel like it's one of those dresses that looks better from a distance. Like the color gets better from a distance, but when you're looking up close, I don't know. Let me change out of this and then we'll talk final thoughts. I haven't taken the dress off yet because I'm still like thinking, I guess. But let's talk. Overall, I have the 6 dresses. 3 of them are pretty much ruled out, but 3 of them are still game to play. So we've got the first dress. It's not terrible, but like it's a no, probably. It's just, I feel like it's for a different event. Second dress, absolutely not. I don't think I like need to say anything about that. The bumblebee dress, not good. Dress number 3, solid. Black dress, you can never go wrong with the black dress. It's actually gorgeous and like I kind of want to buy it. I think it only retails for $73, so not a bad buy. Dress number 4 was the hot pink number. Love. I think it's such a fun, playful dress. I think it is unique. I love Free People and I feel confident in it. I love that color. I think I would stand out in a room, but not in a super obnoxious way, like the sparkly dress, which leads me to dress number 5, sparkly dress. I want her to fit perfectly so bad, and even if she fit a little bit, I might still consider wearing her, but I think she's out. I don't think she's gonna work for this. I wish she would. Dress number 6, the one I have on. She's pretty. It kind of gives me an old lady for some reason, but also it does kind of give disco. So she's not completely out of the picture. I just need to think about it a little bit. Maybe with the look, I'm kind of thinking about doing a little bit of a beach wave, so it kind of give that like, I don't know, playfulness to the, I think it would look great with silver or gold jewelry. I don't know that I have shoes to wear with it though, but overall, I'm still thinking. So that leads me to you who are watching this, hopefully, if anyone's watching this, leave a comment of what your favorite dress was, what you think I should wear. I'll let you know which one I decide to go with after it's all said and done. Overall, my thoughts on Nuuly and using a rental service, I think it's great because I'm not spending a whole lot of money on some fancy dress that I wouldn't wear more than once, and I didn't really have to worry about like searching different websites to look at a bunch of different brands. I only had to go to one app to look for all my options really, and from there I could pick out some great dresses that they had already pre-selected. It does suck that I can't just like exchange for a different size, whereas I think Rent the Runway kind of does that or is more willing to help you. I'm definitely going to keep it for a couple months, I think, because I have a few weddings in June and then in May I'm going on vacation. I will let you know my Nuuly picks from those months. I think this is super fun. Most of the stuff that I'm wearing is over $100, so it's kind of fun to like wear something more expensive without actually having to break your bank. So, thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I need to know what dress to wear, okay? Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.